Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like table ads or other like softwares from your OPPO F23. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that in your web browser, you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and then antivirus app. So the first method, go to the settings, choose the apps, and tap on the app management. Now just check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, choose them and click OK. After that, go back to the app list and choose your web browser. Now tap on the storage usage and tap on the manage space. Click on the clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it. And now just tap on the Scan Now button. And if you're doing it for the first time, you have to add permissions to the files and choose the scan type and always use the deep scan. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.